The cryptocurrency market has taken a tumble in recent days, with many of the top coins plummeting by 20% or more overnight. Some of the biggest losers include Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Polygon, MATIC, and Shiba Inu, SHIB. So what is going on? There are a few factors that could be contributing to the sell-off. First, the overall market sentiment has been negative in recent weeks, as investors have become increasingly cautious about the risks of investing in cryptocurrencies. Second, there have been a number of negative news stories about the cryptocurrency industry, such as the recent hack of the Ronin network, which lost $625 million worth of cryptocurrency. Finally, some analysts believe that the recent price crash could be a sign of a larger bear market in the cryptocurrency market. A bear market is a period of time when prices are falling, and it can last for months or even years. It is still too early to say whether the recent price crash is a sign of a larger bear market. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved in investing in cryptocurrencies and to only invest what you can afford to lose. Hold on to your seats, crypto enthusiasts, because the cryptocurrency market just experienced a jaw-dropping turn of events. Brace yourselves for the shocking announcement that has sent shockwaves through the entire crypto community. In a stunning move that caught everyone off guard, the renowned financial services company, Robinhood, has made a groundbreaking decision that will rock the foundations of the crypto world. The cryptocurrency market witnessed a sudden and dramatic downturn as some of the industry's leading blockchains experienced a staggering drop of over 20% in their values overnight. The unexpected twist came as Robinhood, a prominent financial services company, made a groundbreaking announcement that sent shockwaves through the crypto community. In a surprising move, Robinhood revealed its decision to delist three major cryptocurrencies, Cardano, ADA, Polygon, MATIC, and Solana, SOL, from its platform effective June 27, 2023 at 6:59 p.m. ET. Robinhood's statement clarified the reasoning behind their choice, stating that they regularly review the cryptocurrencies offered on their platform. Following their latest assessment, they concluded that ending support for DAA, MATIC, and SOL was necessary. However, they reassured users that no other coins would be affected, and their existing crypto holdings would remain safe on Robinhood. Investors worldwide are understandably apprehensive, fearing that the SEC's actions could have far-reaching consequences for the crypto markets. Although the lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase differ in nature, both exchanges are accused of violating securities laws. Binance, along with its CEO Changpeng Zhao and two other parties, faces a total of 13 charges, including alleged defiance of regulatory requirements regarding the blockchain's operations. On the other hand, the SEC has targeted Coinbase, alleging that the exchange is operating as an unregistered broker, clearing agency, and securities exchange. In an intriguing development, blockchain data has revealed increased activity from whales associated with Robinhood. Reports from the crypto analytics platform LookOnChain have indicated that these whales have deposited a staggering 9.4 million MATIC tokens into various exchanges in recent hours. Furthermore, the platform highlighted the significant deposits of MATIC tokens made by the crypto asset trading company Cumberland to the two exchanges currently under SEC scrutiny. Stay tuned for the latest updates and analysis on this unfolding saga as we bring you the most exciting news from the world of cryptocurrencies.